Located near the port of Mobile, Alabama, sits a 295,761 square foot facility capable of freezing over 1 million pounds of chicken a day. It houses 42,000 pallet positions of storage space and maintains 4 separate temperature spaces. MTC is one of the largest temperature-controlled logistics companies serving the U.S. as well as international markets. We were invited to work with MTC in the construction of a new cold storage and food processing facility.
We knew we had to understand the goals of MTC. We knew that we had to understand what their objective was in moving into what is for them a brand new market. I mean, they're historically in the Northeast, and they were coming to Mobile, Alabama, opening their first facility on the Gulf Coast. What needs to work for them so that this facility does everything they need it to do?
This industry is ripe for cutting-edge concepts and creation and changes.
With 4 different temperature spaces, a primary challenge was to ensure that each designated space maintained the correct temperature to freeze the product that comes through the facility.
With the different temperatures, MTC can go out and broaden their horizon on customers that they attract and offer and accept different products. So the flexibility of the different rooms just allows them to broaden their horizon on their customer base and products that they can store in their facility.
It was important to implement technologies that can maintain the large amount of product coming in each day. Alta Refrigeration, a company focused on providing high-end temperature-controlled solutions, implemented the Alta Expert Refrigeration System to meet the facility's varying capacity requirements.
We developed a system that incorporates the robustness of a traditional central refrigeration system with the simplicity and functionality of an air conditioning system.
The facility includes 23,072 square feet of quick freeze technology that allows for the blast freezing of product 3 times faster than required by the USDA.
Quick freeze in-rack freezing is a method of blast freezing palletized product through which we direct the air exclusively through the spacer area or openings in the cases of product.
Probably the most innovative things in the building would be the refrigeration system and the mobile racking.
ARCO was tasked with maximizing as much storage space as possible on the allotted site footprint.
Mobile racking provides better access to the inventory, as well as maximizing use of space.
We were limited with site area, so we could not build any additional square footage of the building. And with the mobile rack, we were able to achieve roughly 30 to 40% more pallets.
When you look at the SEBA membership that was involved in this project, it's no wonder it ended up being great and a success for everybody.
It provides an opportunity to bring less expensive food to the dining room table of the citizens of Mobile and the state of Alabama and quite frankly, 2 states adjoining us.
These buildings have to be better. We need to conserve water, we need to conserve energy, and these things are pushing these buildings to be on the cutting edge for that. So we've got to build these sort of things along those lines, and we've got to build a building that's going to last for more than just 10 years. It's got to last for 50 years.
Through cooperation and collaboration, ARCO was able to rethink the building itself and ultimately deliver a product that MTC needed to serve the communities they feed for years to come.